montage.
Go up one more step, Gail.
Baby girl.
Gail, go up one more step.
All the way up.
Alright. You're not there now. There you go. Yay! You have fun? Just gonna hang there all day? See, your hands are slipping. It is wet, don't slide on it. There's no stairs over there. Yeah. Alright, see it. Whee! Better sneak up on it. Whatever it is you're sneaking up on. That is a rock. Yeah. All right, let's see it. Whee! Yeah, be careful, Breezy. We'll go up the stairs. It's probably slippery because your feet are wet. Yeah. Now I'm filming because I'm certain you're gonna slip and slide to the bottom. And it'll be funny. Yeah. Man, he called it.